Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the City Toys Agent Venom. Yan, nabili ko si City Toys Agent Venom sa Shopee. Super nice, grabe. Ang ganda ng City Toys na version ng Agent Venom na to. For a bootleg, grabe, ang ganda ng kanyang articulation, ang daming accessories. You also have the alternate head, super daming alt hands, and yun, ang gagawin natin dito, red camouflage. So first step is to apply Bosny number 1 and 91 flat clear so that we will have an adhesive surface para yung paints natin kakapit dun sa surface ng collectible. All right. Naging matte finish na yung surface and pwede na tayo mag-start mag-paint. So for the first paint, we are going to use Hero Paints gray, primer gray. Tapos, i-apply natin din sa body niya para magkaroon ng lighter shade. Kasi pag naglagay tayo ng red over black, very desaturated. So, kailangan nating i-lighten yung surface muna. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for sponsoring this video. Super, super nice na mga hobby paints for your action figure painting needs. Next, warm red naman. So, dito na tayo mag-start na mag-paint ng camouflage pattern. So, if you break down the camouflage design, so it's just a combination of irregular shapes ng mga layers. So, ang gagawin natin dito, layer 1 is red, layer 2 is a gray, and then layer 3 is white. So, yun yung gagawin natin na color combination for this camouflage design. And next is storm gray, and the process is still the same. Next, magdadagdag lang tayo ng next layer of irregular shapes using the gray paint. And then the last color na i-apply natin dito is white. Yung ginagamit kong white dito mas nasa better coverage siya. Yun, ultra white tapos stronger coverage. So if you're gonna buy white from Shopee na from Hero Paints, pwede kayong pumili. You can choose from primer white and ultra white na stronger coverage. Marami silang choices doon. And there you have it. Done na ang ating Agent Venom na red camouflage version. So nag-spray na lang tayo dito ng flat clear para malagyan ng top coat yung paint job na ginawa natin so that it will be protected. Tapos sa likod, gumamit na lang din ako ng blue tack para may attach yung iba pa niyang mga accessories. Pero ang ginawa ko kasi dito, inattach ko yung apat na tentacles na may hawak ng baril and also yung mga extensions dun sa likod. Pero ang normal na post kasi nito or mga attachments nito, yung apat lang. So ginawa kong 8 para mas marami siyang tentacles sa likod. So pwede nyo rin naman tanggalin yun eh. Optional naman talaga yan. So that's it mga mom, sir. Thank you very much for watching. Again, thank you client Shy J. Shout out to you, bro. We are done with our batch project. So I'm going to pack this and check everything before I send everything to you. All right. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.